A lot of people care about
the economy,
America's economy,
global economy,
the heart of the economy.
We have an economy.
The economy is so bad.
Growing the economy.
How have you been affected by the economy?
The economy touches every aspect of our lives.
This is Dr. Jay Price. He chairs the history department at Wichita State University and studies local economic history.
It impacts how far our dollar goes, whether we have a job, whether we're going to be able to build a new suburb, to whether that new restaurant is going to stay in business or not. Business is a constant tension between supply and demand, between boom and bust.
That tension is called the business cycle, and each city can be affected differently by these cycles depending on what jobs and businesses they have. So how does the business cycle affect Wichita? James Chung found that Wichita has been tossed around by these business cycles. Over time, this has led to steeper declines and slow, incomplete recovery. So what can we do to change that?
The economic world, the business cycle, it's like the ocean. It's neither good nor bad, it's how you respond to it. If you look at ships and how they navigate the currents of an ocean, it's a constant adaptation. And I think that's not a bad analogy to how we have to navigate the changes in the economy.
Other manufacturing-based cities have already started adjusting their sales, and it's showing in how well they withstand the waves of the economy.
It's about making some really hard decisions. Being willing to say, okay, we're going to be a different city, and that's okay.
If Wichita wants to move forward, it has to be okay with making some changes in its economy.
I think we're almost imprisoned by this mood. Oh, wow, we just can't cut a break, as opposed to challenge accepted.